No matter what work you're involved in, failure is a part of growth. And as woodworkers, we're certainly not immune to failure. When I decided to make woodworking my career, I felt I was more prepared than anyone else because I'm a lifelong Bears fan. This is a slab of edge grain plywood that I had laying around the shop and felt it was time to do something with it. So I imported the Bears logo into a spire, traced it, and created the tool path to carve it out. I then added some colored epoxy, planed it, sanded it, and then ended up applying some countertop epoxy so now I can look failure in the face for years to come. Thanks for watching.